You will die on the cross. Do you wanna sing the hymns that would have burned you at the stake? Doctored by the pagans,